Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming the basics: a 5G-capable device, an active 5G plan, and current carrier coverage. Once done, insert or verify the SIM, enable mobile data, then open network settings and switch the preferred network to 5G or 5G Auto. Make sure carrier updates are installed. They often add bands. After enabling, reboot the phone to apply changes so the radio negotiates the correct 5G band with the tower. Once your phone is set to 5G, you refine connectivity. You should choose 5G/4G Auto so the phone drops to LTE when needed. This preserves battery and stability. Next, verify the APN matches your carrier's 5G profile, because wrong APNs block data on new bands. Also check for carrier or system updates that enable specific wave or sub-6 bands. If your device supports manual band selection, prioritize bands shown as. To finish, confirm performance by running a speed test in the same spot where coverage is expected. Note latency and throughput to validate 5G. If you don't see 5G, toggle airplane mode briefly or reset network settings to force reprovisioning. Make sure location services are on. Some carriers use that for band assignment. If problems continue, swap the SIM into a known working 5G phone or call your carrier to check provisioning. This single check often resolves stubborn non-5G issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.